All right, so you're going to come to our website, go to custom transfers, hit DTF transfers, bottom of the page, build your own Gangsheet. At build your own Gangsheet, once it loads, you're going to choose auto build. In the auto build, you can do upload images. We're going to take a couple files we have in our downloads folder. All right, so you have your background removal. So these ones have backgrounds in it, so I'm just going to use the generator. It's going to start removing the backgrounds for me. It's best to have the backgrounds already pre-removed, so that way you have cleaner lines, but if you don't already have it removed, you can always use the automated generator for that. There we go, got all the backgrounds removed. Now we're going to change the sizes. You can change the size of any of these images. Remember to have that lock aspect ratio button clicked. Now, if you want to have the quantity change, just add the quantity of how many of each one you want. You can also duplicate the image. If you want to have multiple, but you want them to be different sizes, so we'll do the mushroom here. Change the mushroom to 5 inches, and then we'll just change the quantity down a little bit. There we go, so we have 2 mushrooms. Now we have one at 2.5 inches width and one at 5 inches width. Hit apply, and now it's going to custom generate our page for us. Now, if you don't like it, you can always go back and readjust, add more to your page. Hit apply again, and it's going to regenerate now. There we go. So it's custom laid out everything in a nice format, easy to cut. If you like it, you're going to hit continue. And here you can actually go through each page, and you can also change placement of, like, if you didn't like where that mushroom was, you could move it over one. Maybe it's easier to cut if it was over there. So if you go to settings, you'll see visual aid. Visual aid is just going to change the background color. So if you have white, you don't want to have like a white background white, or black text with a black background. So you can have different options. The transparent checker mark, black and gray. So this way you can see all the different colors. You can also change it using the other color options. When done, you're going to hit save and continue. Then confirm and add to cart once you have all your quantities. So if you need like 3 sheets of sheet 1, you can add 3 sheets to sheet 1 there. And we're check all these boxes. They're saying that you have the right to print. Everything looks good. There's a couple of those are low resolution. Now, here you can also preview your sheets. Make sure that you have the correct sheets, the correct quantities for each sheet. Yeah, it's like this one. This is where we put our 3 quantity. Once you're done checking, make sure all your quantities are correct. You're gonna hit checkout. Remember to log into your account. That's it.